The narrow street and the Church of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary. Okay, the narrow street, it's located in the center of the city near the town hall square. On this video I can show you, for example, yes, there is a town hall square. It's maybe 150 meters. You can find this entrance. Be careful, because sometimes the incoming gates are closed and no any inscription before. So you can go, then turn right through this tunnel, dark tunnel, and then turn left. So this is exactly the narrow street. The sea, as you know, the condition is required to be better, so this is not a very nice touristic object, let's to say. But anyway, when you are walking along the street in the center, you can come here and to make some photos, like here, for example, because distance between two houses are 1 meter around. Okay, and this is the Church of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary. This temple, which doesn't have parish, yeah, and the service is being held here only maybe Sunday morning, and at the time the temple was closed. At least I didn't have succeed to come inside. But the building itself is very old. It was built up in 1421. But since in 1831 Russian authority closed the church and no any services. And now only our days the church has begun to work again.